Welcome to my channel. You are going to make use of AutoCAD to solve these problems that we have here. But I want to take this question first. That is question 3. So the question says that a triangle ABC has a side AB 65 millimeters, base angle 75 degree, and a perimeter of 175 millimeters. Construct the triangle and draw a circumscribed circle to it. So we are making use of the AutoCAD to solve this problem. So the first thing that we are to do here is to make sure that we put on the auto mode for us to draw a horizontal line. That is the base AB, so 65 millimeters. So we draw 65 millimeters. So we enter 65 here. So enter. Okay, so we have that. Then we are going to draw a line at an angle of 75 degrees to this point here. Then first of all, I want us to label this point. So we have the height of the letter is 2, rotation angle is 0. So here we have this point to be point A. So this is point A, and this point here is point B. Okay, so we have that. So we are going to draw a line at point A that will be at an angle 75 degrees to the horizontal. Okay, and that line, the length of that line will be 175 minus 65, the perimeter minus the base given, which is 65. So 175 minus 65 will give us 110. So that means we are going to take a line here and come to this point. So we have a line. So we put off the auto mode and we have the line in this direction. So we are going to enter the length of the line, which is 110. Then we press a tab key to give it angle. Press a tab key on the keyboard and give the angle 75 degrees. So enter. All right, so that is the line. So we have the line. So escape this. So I'm going to copy this letter. So I want to label this that point. So this is this point here. Okay, so and then I'm going to change this, edit it to point C. This is point C here. So here we have C there. So that's it. Okay, then the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to join BC together. So we join BC together. So like this. So we join BC together. Okay, so then the next that we're going to do, we are going to bisect line BC. So to bisect line BC, so we come to arc and then we select this particular arc. So starting from this point A here, give it a length. So I'm going to give it a length of 80. I'm going to give it a length of 80. So this is 80. So enter. So it goes in this direction. And then, so I'm going to do it again. Okay. So from point A again, so I'm going to take it down like this. So the angle, the arc, we usually move it in anti-clockwise direction. So take note of that. So I will give it a length of 80 again. So this is 80. So enter. So bring it down like this. So this is okay for me. So then we also do it for point C. So we have point C here. So then we move in this direction. Okay, so we move it anti-clockwise. So the length is also 80. So it goes this direction. So then we also take it again. So we take it directly. So from point C again. So we move it in this direction. So this is also 80. So give it a length 80. So we move like this. So that's it. Okay, the next that we are going to do is to draw the bisector of AC. So just draw like this. So this is bisector of AC. Okay, so I want to extend the line. I want to extend the line. Okay. All right, so it's okay here like this. And then, so it is okay here. All right, so we have this. So this point here, I'm going to label it. Okay, I'm going to label it and call it. So I'll copy it. So, and then I'm going to use that here. Okay, so this point, I'm going to edit it and I'll call it point D. So this is plus point D there. Okay, we have it like this. All right, so the next thing that we are going to do here, so is to draw the triangle. So to draw a triangle, so we take a line. So from so we join it from B to D, so to A, then to B. So we have this. So I'm going to make the triangle visible by taking this. So we come to property and we select so this particular line. Okay, so and then so we deselect it. So we ask to draw a circumscribed circle to this triangle. So so to draw a circumscribed circle to this triangle, we have to divide two any two sides, we have to bisect any two sides. That is what we have to do. So I can draw the circle directly, okay, but I'm not going to do that. Let's bisect two sides as if we are using the normal manual method. So to bisect any two sides, I'm bisecting line AD and BC. So we select this arc. So I'm going to give it a distance of 50. So the length of arc is 50. So we have it like this. Okay, so then I will also take it again. So from this point, okay, so from point A again, so we take it like this. So the length is still 50. So we have it like this. Okay, so then I will repeat it by making use of point D. Okay, so the length is 50. So it goes like this. Sorry. Oh, I need to retake it. I didn't go in the normal direction. Okay, so it's supposed to go like this. So the length is 50. So it goes like this. All right, so you can see that the intersect there. I will also repeat it. Okay. And this goes in this direction. So we have the length to be 50. So we have this. Okay, so I will take it again. All right, so the length is 50. Oh, I didn't go in the right direction. All right, that's one thing about it. So the length is 50, supposed to come down like this. Okay, so 50. So so we have it like this. So that's it. So and then we are going to bisect BC also. We do the same thing. So we take this and then so from this point, so we go like this. So I'll also give it 50. Okay. So it goes in this direction. All right, so we have this. And then, so I will also repeat it from the same point P. So I will take it down like this. Okay, so this is also 50. All right, so just let me leave it here like this. So it goes with the previous one. Then we now go to point D. So to point D, okay. So that 50. Okay, so that 50 that we have, so 50. So it has to go in this direction. So 50. So we go in anti-clockwise direction. Sorry, I need to retake it. It goes in an anti-clockwise direction. So I can see the point here, so we intersect it here. So then I'll repeat again. So this is going, okay, is going in this direction. So that's 15 again. All right, so that's it. So there's a point here and a point here. So I'm going to join them. So without wasting time. So I'll join this with this. So we have that. Then I'll also join to this point and this point together. So I'm not going to extend that. So the point of intersection of the bisectors is here. So I'm going to label this point. So I'll just copy this. Okay, so I'll copy it and then bring it to this point. Okay. All right, so I need to copy this. All right, so I will label this and edit as point O. So that is the center of the circle. So we now come to circle. So we select circle and then, so this point to, all right, so this the circumscribed circle that we're asked to draw. So I will just make it more bolder than this. All right, so this is it. So this is the problem that we're asked to solve. It's as simple as I've done it here. So all you have to do is to practice. When you practice this, you become a master at it. Thank you, and keep on practicing. God bless you.